Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha, and in this video we are going to talk about the strategy for the next expiry, that is the 18th Feb of expiry. Now, until now we have seen a lot of strategies on my channel related to options, but in this strategy we are going to use a mix of futures and options both. So this is going to be an interesting one, just stay tuned. Before that, let's just analyze what happened in the markets today. So I have opened the intraday chart of Nifty, as you can see. So, what's happening in the markets as of now is that the market has run up too much after the budget, and I think all the good news has already been factored in. So, if you look at last week's performance, Bank Nifty has rallied more than 6,000 points. If you consider the high, it has ran up almost about 7,000 points, which is a lot of run for an index in just 1 week. So, I think that the markets are going to consolidate for some time, or they can also show some little correction, not a crash. I'm talking about a correction, and that's what we have been watching today. So I can again see that 15,000 is a very important psychological support for the markets as of now, and also the OI buildup has been not that great, but it's again significant, so that we can trust that it can hold 15,000 if at all the global cues are supporting as well. If the global cues also turn negative, then and if at all we break 15,000 with good volume, then we can see some more downside up till 14,500. After that, we can again start to rally probably. So this was the intraday chart. Now let's talk about the strategy. So before that, let's just look at the global cues. So US markets are looking mildly negative to neutral. As you can see, these are the future indices and these are the actual indices. So this is what we can see, that it's almost flat. Dow is trading almost flat, S&P mild negative and Nasdaq mild negative. The European markets again not too much negative. They closed about 0.5% in red, and this is what we have similarly for the futures which are currently trading. Talking about Nifty futures, so Nifty futures as of now is trading around 15070. So we can expect a slight gap down opening if the US markets do not recover in the night, and let's see how it turns out to be tomorrow. So let's talk about the strategy now. So here I am on Opstra. So the first thing that we are going to do is short one lot of Nifty futures for 25th March. Again, I'm repeating that the strategy that we are creating is for the 18th Feb of expiry. Just pay attention and see what I'm doing. So the first thing I did was I shorted one lot of Nifty futures for the March month. And the next thing that I'm going to do is go to the 18th Feb expiry and hedge this future. So we shorted one future. So to hedge it, we are buying a call option of 15,100. And the last thing that we are going to do is just buy two lots of 14,500 PE of the monthly expiry of Feb, which is 25th of Feb. I'm sorry I mentioned bought, but here it should be sell. So this is the payoff graph that you can see for yourself. Now this is pretty amazing. As you can see that you will have losses when Nifty breaches 13,880. Now can that really happen? Of course anything can happen. This is market. But the thing is that the chances are pretty low. And you can see that we have one lot which is unhedged. So I do not really recommend doing that. But since you can see that the break even is at 13,880, so there will be a lot of time for you to exit. Even if the markets fall to 14,000, then also you can plan your exit in a timely manner. And the probability of this, as you can see, is really low. The max profit is about 20,589, which will come when Nifty expires around 14,500. And our view here is that market might show some slight correction. The more it corrects, the more our profit increases, even if our view is wrong. So we are keeping in mind a neutral view, but if the market's correct, that's going to be profitable for us. Even if we are neutral, so you can see that we'll still end up in some profits. Now one catch here is that the margin that it's showing here is around 27,000. This is wrong. This might vary from your broker to broker, but here I have done this in Upstocks for you, so you can check this with your respective broker. This is what I've done. I've shorted one lot of March future. I have bought one call option of 15,100 of the Feb 18 expiry, and then again Feb 25 expiry. I have sold two lots of put of 14,500. So the strategy, if you do it in Upstocks, will cost you around 1.6 lakh rupees. And again, it might vary for your broker. I think Zerodha will charge you more than this, so you can check around. And the good part is that this is again, you can see that The probability of profit is really high because our loss starts when we go to 13,880. Isn't that amazing? Now, let me explain how this particular thing works. Now, let's say that Nifty starts getting bearish or Nifty starts to crack. Then what's going to support us? This future is going to support us because we have shorted one lot of future. And always you must know that the gain that you will have from shorting a future will be much more than the loss that you will incur when you have shorted this 14,500 PE. So basically this future will balance up with this 14,500, and that's what is giving you this large range or this wide break even. That's one thing. And what if the market starts to go bullish? These futures will basically start to give you loss, but you should understand that all of these two trades are bullish. When you say 14,500 PE, that you means that Nifty is going to stay bullish and is going to be above 14,500. And this 15,100 CE is also a bullish trade. So these two bullish trades will counter this and will probably give you some small profits here. But you should understand that whenever will Nifty will start falling, the intensity of this future will be a lot more, and this will give you more profit than combine these two bullish trades. That's why you can see that the payoff graph will show you more profit if Nifty starts to correct till 13,880. So I think this is really a great strategy. And how will markets turn up? That we'll probably see tomorrow, because there has been a sharp fall today. As I showed you the intraday chart, you can see that the falls are really sharp and these candles are really big in size whenever there is a fall. And always you should keep in mind that whenever there is a bull market going on, the corrections will be really steep and they will be fast. If I even show you Bank Nifty, so even in Bank Nifty, you can see that the candles are really big, and you can see what a lovely correction this has been from 12 to 14, that is 2. So Nifty almost fell from above 36,000 and made a low of almost 35,500. So we can see that there are fierce corrections coming, and if at all Nifty starts to correct, I'm sure that buying will emerge whenever there is a value created. And I'm sure that Nifty should not break 14,500. It can do anything, but hopefully it shouldn't, and it should take a support. Even if Nifty breaches 15,000, it should take support from 15,000. But again, all of that depends on the global cues as well, and how do we proceed in the next week. So I hope you like this particular strategy. This was a mix of futures and options. That's what I can say. And as I usually say, that do it with one lot first, or not even do it with one lot. You can try to paper trade it first and see for yourself that what kind of results are you getting. If you find those satisfactory, definitely you can go ahead and do this with real money. I think that's it for this video then. I am sure that you like this one. And this was a little different strategy, because usually we talk about options and options, but there are strategies which you can mix up with futures and create really good strategies like this. And one more thing, some of you might say that there are liquidity issues, but 18th Feb is near, so I'm sure that this will not have any liquidity issue. And monthly expiry is always more liquid than weekly expiry, so this will also hedge you. So I hope that this is for this video then. Hope you like the video and you're enjoying the content on this channel. Please subscribe for more such content and spread the word with other people who might find this useful. That's it for this video then. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.